all. Today we are going to study 4th standard computer science and the topic is working with folders in left pan. In last session we learned about exploring windows. In this session we are going to study working with folders in left pan. See the window, there are two pans. One is left pan and another one is right pan. In Windows Explorer, go to Files, a disk drive. You can get the files and folders of a particular drive on right pans of Explorer. You can move the files and folders from one place to another by dragging and dropping the same left pan to right pan. Next one, view managing the files and folders in Windows Explorer. On selecting the folder in left pans of Windows Explorer, you can view the files present in that folder. Similarly, you can view the content of the disk drive. You can even directly drag and drop files from folders to one location to another location, same like copy and paste. We can copy and paste the same folder from one place to another by clicking or dropping or dragging. Next one, modes of view. The contents in the right pans of Windows Explorer can be viewed in the following modes: extra large icon, medium icon, small icon, list, detail, style, contents. We are going to see types of views. Next one, see that window is contained with different types of icons. One is large, medium and small. Next one, list. What is list? List views that display the files. See, the list menu will display the many files. Next one, small icons. What is small icon? The view of the similar to the view icon. Next one, detail view. Detail view shows the text information and generic icons. Next one is icon view. It is a view used to embed resource icons. Next one, file naming convention. Use a period to separate a same basic file name from extension in the name of directory or file. Open, using a backslash to search the components of a path. Example, host name, share name. Next one, searching files. This is a symbol for searching files. One or more files can be searched by using wildcards. For example, document will be searched, display all the document files or words file in a drive or path selected. Go to search library. We can search the document files or word files in a drive or a path to be selected. Next one is creating shortcut. Go to a folder and select a folder. By right clicking, we can create a shortcut. A shortcut is an item such as files or folders or program on a computer. This is the text file. This text file shows the shortcut icon. Next one, shortcut can be distinguished from the original file by arrow that appear on the icon. Shortcut can be distinguished from the original file by arrow that appear on the icon. Next one, to create a shortcut. Open and location the item you want to create a shortcut on the desktop. Click new, then select shortcut. Right click the item. Next one, remove the shortcut file. Go to file, you can remove the shortcut file. Next one, delete. To delete a shortcut on a file or a folder, right click the shortcut you want to delete or click the file or folder, then click S. If you want to delete a shortcut. In this session we learned about the left pan and right pan and creating shortcuts.